Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin on the home screen. Long press any empty area to reveal options. Tap wallpapers to pick a background that improves contrast and visibility because icons must remain readable. Once done, open Widgets to preview sizes and functions, then check Home Settings to pick grid size or launcher style. Make sure to grant any permission the launcher asks for. This avoids broken widgets. Don't delay. Start by selecting Wallpaper and Basic Layout before moving. Now you organize. Tap and hold an app, then drag it where you want. Place frequently used apps on the dock for quicker access. To create a folder, drag one app atop another, name it clearly, and add related apps. This keeps the screen tidy. Add widgets by long pressing empty space, choose size, then place and resize them. Test each widget so it updates properly. If icons feel cramped, change grid size or icon scale in Home Settings to balance density and readability. Finish by walking through each home screen to confirm spacing, folder contents, and widget behavior. Make small tweaks until navigation feels effortless. If your launcher supports it, export or back up the layout to cloud storage so you can restore it later. Test gestures and shortcuts once more, then lock the layout if that option exists. If something goes wrong, icons vanish or widgets fail, restart the phone first. Then clear the launcher cache or reapply the wallpaper. These steps usually resolve display glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.